With full experience, Hoo-Ha Company Limited focuses on in-depth cooperation with customers around the world to provide them with advanced one-stop cable solutions and die-casting solutions. Hoo-Ha is always committed to improving the design level and the technological innovation strength to provide more competitive solutions for customers, covering a full range of products in the field of cable industry and die-casting industry, such as wire and cable, cable making machine, cable raw material, furniture accessories, lighting accessories, auto accessories, digital accessories, etc.
السلام عليكم. أنا سمير مازا، مدير عام من شركة إلكتريكال سنتر، وشركة حوحة داروا لنا المونتاج. ممكن بعد 45 يوم يديروا لنا لي تيست إن شاء الله، والحمد لله رانا معاهم توصلنا معاهم إلى اتفاقيات باش في لي تيست على 45 يوم إن شاء الله. السلام عليكم.
Hello everyone, we are doing the machine testing at our UAZ. Test the insulation line. This is with this pepper. We're running the machine successfully. We are doing the machine testing very well and hope that this is helpful to see